Divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this fabulous unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay Divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Friday Night Hair. So thank you so much Friday Night Hair for sponsoring this video and letting me share this fabulous unit with my fabulous divas. But yeah, if you guys are interested in the details and the specs on this fabulous unit, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay Divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit from Friday Night Hair. So this is the GLS49 and I have it in the color number 1B. This unit is average head friendly. It does fit large and small heads. So here's the cap construction. It does come with your 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also comes with the hard lace. And the texture of the hair is like a wavy silky texture, and here is the amazing hairline. So I did forget to show you guys whether or not this unit sheds. It does shed a little bit, nothing to be alarmed about, but it does shed a little bit. Now I'm just gonna go in and make this unit work for me, and of course I'll tell you guys my final thoughts in the closing thoughts. But overall I really do like the unit, and I just want to kind of let you guys watch me just work with the unit, especially because today is actually the 4th of July when I'm doing this voiceover and the fireworks are crazy. So I'll let you guys enjoy the music.
Baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Girl, one boy need your money, yo. Need your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We could do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make up feel up. If I know for do, I'ma go talk up. Baby, you rock on. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I just gotta tell you what's in my mind.
Okay Divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this fabulous unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So I really do love this unit. Like, I cannot, like, this hairline is amazing. Now I know this is nothing to be surprised about because Friday Night Hair wigs, like, all of their hairlines are amazing, but this got me like my whole mood is like, what lace, like, you see, do you guys see what this affordable lace front wig is doing for me? Like, this is so nice. Like, and I know this unit is not new, but this unit is super fabulous. Like, I really like it, and it's really simple. Like, all you have to do, and if you don't want to, you don't even have to do that. I just applied a little bit of mousse just to define like the waves so that you can see them a little bit more, because I feel like they were just like poofy looking, but I really wanted to define those waves because I really love waves, especially for the summertime. I feel like it just makes you summertime fine. Like, when you put on that unit and your unit has waves, like, I feel like it just automatically makes you summertime fine. So that's why I had to make sure those waves were defined. But this hairline, like, you guys, I know it's always impeccable with Friday Night Hair, but I'm just saying, like, this hairline is everything. Sorry for looking at myself in the mirror. That's why I was looking down there. But anyways, I really do like this unit. I want to tell you guys my closing thoughts on whether or not I would recommend it. So I really do like the unit. The only thing that I really was not like super fond of, which I forgot to show you guys if it sheds, but it does shed a little bit. It's nothing too excessive to worry about, but it does shed. So that's the only thing that I don't like. But one thing that I did notice is after I put on the mousse and everything and ran my my fingers through it, like it doesn't shed like crazy amount. I feel like it has to like get it shedding out, and then after that it's gonna be good. But I did experience some shedding, which is typically normal with like a curly or a wavy texture type of unit, and especially because this one is more voluminous. So I mean, it wasn't anything that was crazy, but I did want to let you guys know that there was shedding, and that is the only con that I really have with this unit. So overall, would I recommend this unit? Definitely. The hairline is impeccable. This is something that you can quickly throw on for the summertime and just be out the door. And I mean, I feel like you can rock her all year round, but ideally for me, I feel like she is cute for the summertime because of her wave pattern. But yeah, she's super duper cute, you guys. And the hairline, like this hairline will make your mood all summer 18. Like, what lace? What lace? Like, where? And I know that's probably like, I know you're like, girl, but this hair, like this hairline is absolutely amazing. Like, I am so in love with it. Like, I'm really feeling it. Oh yeah, but before I say that I recommend it, I do want to let you guys know that this unit is like a lot of hair. So it is a lot of hair on this unit. So if you don't like a lot of hair, then I would say stay away from it, steer clear from it. But if you don't mind, then go ahead, you know, and get her. I feel like it's not too much because this is all the hair to the front. Let me grab it. So this is all the hair to the front, so it's not too much hair, especially after you condense it down with some mousse. But at the same time, like if you're not used to like just regular volume hair, like you might not like it, because some of my fabulous divas out there like units that are on the lower density side. So I just want to let you know that if you do like a lower density, this may not be for you, because this is like a natural full. But yeah, like I said before, I would definitely recommend this unit. It is absolutely fabulous. It's super easy to slay, and the hairline is amazing. So I would definitely recommend it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a link down in the description box below. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful, easy to follow. And if you guys did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and communicate with you guys. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and make sure that you are hitting that notification bell so you will be notified. You'll be notified once I upload a video, and you will not miss a single upload or a single hair slay, okay girl? Because we all want to slay. So definitely make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my reviews or anything. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous fabulous divas in my next video. Bye.